Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker, owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Lakewood Ranch looking at brand new construction. Welcome to the Lakeside Model, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2689 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. Walking up, double entry front door. So walking through, the first thing I notice is an office and or den right off the front. Going into the main home itself, nice large living space. You do have sliders off of the main living space. View of your chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop. Plenty of eat-in area at the bar. Turning back around. Going through your kitchen. Here is your main dining space. Nice large windows, brings in plenty of natural light. And of course you do have a view of your pool and the golf course behind. You do have a set of sliding glass doors going to the outside, and another set of sliding glass doors from the main living space. This one does have a beautiful pool, spa, and of course a nice sun shelf over here, and of course plenty of places to entertain. This one is overlooking the water and the golf course. Turning back around. You also have sliding glass doors off of the owner bedroom, and now we're going back into the main home. Let's go find the owner bedroom, which is right over here. So welcome to your owner bedroom. Again, there's that sliding glass door going to the pool area. Turning back around, going to the owner bathroom. Owner bathroom will have a nice large walk-in tiled shower, and of course double vanities over here. Closet number 1. And then you have closet number 2 right over here. Leaving the owner bedroom. Let's go to the other side of the property. You will have 2 more guest bedrooms. So right over here, you do have your main guest bedroom towards the back. And then off the guest bedroom, you do have a full ensuite bathroom that also could be used as the pool bathroom, which is right over here. Turning back around, another view going outside. So like I mentioned, that could be used as your pool bath. So another view from the outside. And then of course our last bedroom will actually be across the hall. It is used as their office space currently, so let's do a quick look inside here. But this would be the additional guest bedroom right over here. So nice size space. And then of course turning back around, going into your kitchen. And we're gonna end our tour outside. And again, if you need any more details, give me a call at 941-303-9575.